Whenever I made dinner like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. Start by adding a drizzle of vegetable oil to a large pan over medium to low heat. Next, add a 240 milliliter cup of white rice, 2 whole eggs, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams of chicken-flavored seasoning powder, and mix everything until the eggs are fried. When that happens, add 2 cups of 240 milliliters of water. Cover the pan and let everything cook until all the water is absorbed. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 100 grams of bacon chopped into small cubes, 200 grams of smoked sausage cut into slices, and sauté until lightly browned. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. When that happens, add 1 medium onion chopped into small cubes, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and sauté for 2 more minutes. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. After this time has passed, add half a red bell pepper chopped into small cubes, half a yellow bell pepper also chopped into small cubes, 1 carrot chopped into small cubes, and sauté all the ingredients very well. This is the right point. After the rice is cooked, turn off the heat. Add the sautéed ingredients we prepared and mix to combine. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. To finish, add parsley to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.